I was curious. You mentioned a couple times trading your plan. How do you go about creating that plan in the first place? Are there certain press releases that you're looking for, or like what kinds of things do you look for to create those plans?
Yeah, that's definitely part of it for sure. I mean, for my personal kind of trading strategy, I love the hype. I love finding what everyone is talking about, especially for these little tiny stocks. That is what moves most of these stocks is the upcoming news, the hype towards it. So when I come to finding, a plan to find these stocks, I try to find what came out with the newest news. What's the hottest news of the day? Once I find the hottest news of the day, it usually comes down to about 5 or 4 stocks every morning. And from there, I kind of do my own little what's support, what's resistance, what have these past chart setups look like. And from there, I can finally, kind of go into more depth about what is the day going to open. And out of those 4 or 5 stocks, once the market does open, probably about 1 or 2 of them is only going to follow the plan I like. So it's kind of starting off with a little broader range and narrowing it down throughout from pre-market to the time it opens. So you really only have 1 or 2 stocks to really watch. And then one of them most likely will follow your plan, either coming up to a resistance line, and that's when it breaks that resistance line. That's when you know to buy. But it's really kind of just understanding what has the press releases, what has the hype, what is everyone going to be playing today, and you kind of want to follow the majority about what everyone else is going to be playing, because volume equals activity and activity equals profit. So you want to find these stocks with very high volume. I like playing stocks with volume over 2 times, 3 times its average volume. And that's another huge problem. I always tell my traders in chat that volume equals activity and activity equals profit. They're probably tired of me saying it, but I just want to get it through their heads. That is what will make you a profitable trader. You can't hop into a trade that only has 20,000 shares traded in volume. It won't be profitable, and it becomes very unpredictable. But if you get into a trade that has, let's say, 10 million in volume and the average is 900,000, that's a hot stock today. A lot of people are going to be playing that. So that makes it very profitable and a very great hot stock to play. But it'll be good to find that stock before that huge volume comes in. And by finding that is by finding the press release right when it comes out, seeing if the stock is good on the RSI, which would be trying to find a stock kind of near the oversold side, or just trying to find a stock coming up to a nice breakout resistance level. And you really just want to find right when that stock breaks over its resistance level. It's a great entry. As you know, buying volume will probably come in right when it breaks out. And then you just kind of sit back and watch your master plan unfold.